The Extended Phenotype is a nonfiction book written by evolutionary biologist Richard Dawkins, published in 1982. In this book, Dawkins expands upon his earlier work on the gene-centered view of evolution, arguing that the influence of genes extends beyond the individual organism and can be observed in the behavior and traits of other organisms and even in their environment. Key points covered in the book include: 1. Gene-centered view of evolution. Dawkins presents and defends the gene-centered view of evolution, which emphasizes the role of genes as the primary units of natural selection. He argues that genes are the units of replication and inheritance that drive the evolutionary process. 2. Extended phenotype. The central theme of the book is the concept of the extended phenotype, which refers to the idea that genes not only influence the traits of individual organisms but also have effects on the environment and other organisms. Dawkins argues that the phenotypic effects of genes can extend beyond the boundaries of an individual's body. 3. Examples of extended phenotypes. Dawkins provides numerous examples of extended phenotypes in nature. He discusses how genes can influence the behavior of organisms, such as parasites manipulating their hosts or birds building intricate nests. He also explores cases where organisms modify their environment to their advantage, such as beavers constructing dams. 4. Interactions between organisms. The book delves into the intricate relationships and coevolution between different species. Dawkins explains how genes can shape the interactions and dynamics between organisms in ecosystems. 5. Gene-environment interaction. Dawkins argues that the environment itself can be influenced by the genes of organisms, leading to feedback loops where genes and environment continually shape each other. He discusses how organisms can modify their environment in ways that favor their reproductive success. 6. Criticisms of group selection. The book addresses criticisms of the group selection theory, which posits that natural selection can operate at the level of groups of organisms. Dawkins argues that the gene-centered view provides a more comprehensive explanation for the evolution of traits. 7. Human culture. The book also explores the role of human culture and technology as an extended phenotype. Dawkins discusses how cultural practices and technological innovations can be seen as extensions of human genes' influence. 8. Implications for evolutionary biology. The extended phenotype challenges traditional views of evolution by emphasizing the interconnectedness of genes, organisms, and their environment. Dawkins' work invites readers to consider the broader implications of genes' effects beyond individual organisms and highlights the complexity of the evolutionary process. In The Extended Phenotype, Dawkins offers a compelling argument for the influence of genes beyond the boundaries of individual organisms. He demonstrates how the gene-centered perspective can shed light on diverse biological phenomena and interactions. The book encourages readers to rethink the traditional unit of selection in evolution and appreciate the intricate ways in which genes shape the world around us.